Hi, it's Greg over at DIY RV and Home and Camper's Life. Now, we just received a portable power pack to take a look at and give you a review. This is the IEsafy 26,800 milliamp hour portable power pack with solar charging. So it does have built-in 4 solar panels for a combined 6 watt total to charge the batteries back up and or help charge like your cell phone when you're on the move, out in the sun, backpacking, lounging at the beach, etc. Along with the solar panels on the power pack, you're going to have the 2 USB 2.1 amp charging ports, a mini USB charging point to charge the battery on the portable pack. Also includes a USB cable to plug in and then plug into a USB outlet, wall wart, your computer, etc. Also, for nighttime assistance, it does have a light with multiple settings, high, low, SOS feature, and strobe, and then off. A small spot to hook a carabiner or lanyard. There is a small lanyard included that has a small compass on it for your use, along with the instructions. Now, part of the instructions say that you need to fully charge it before use, so last night I did pull it out, plugged it in, let it fully charge, and as we can see with the status lights, let's get her all the way open so it comes on. Our battery indicator is going to show full or just at full, along with the power status light. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take this out and use it and abuse it and get some good testing in before I come back with a review. I just wanted to show you what I got here. Let's go ahead. I've got my phone right here. We're going to go ahead and just plug her in real quick. And she is charging. So we will see how well it will keep the phone charged when we're out and about doing stuff, maybe listening to the radio, playing on the wild web or whatever, you know, stuff you do in the nature, right? Well, okay, so listen to some music or something. We're also going to see how fast the solar panels charge the battery up from a discharge point. And I'll come back and give you that review at a later date. Alright, this is just a quick look at the IEsafy portable power pack that we just received. Like I said, we're going to do some testing, and then I will come back with a review of the product and how well it did. So until then, happy camping.